All right, Dr. Marilyn, you can go ahead.
Well, Apostle Price, I just want to say that this was just tremendous. It was so impactful, I know, to me and probably to everyone and anyone that has heard you today. I'll start with one of the latter things you spoke about. You said prophets do more than predict. Prophecy comes with projects. I found that so interesting, your perspective in showing us what our assignments are and our direction and so forth. I'm pleased to be so affiliated with Apostle Dwann and being in this house, and thus also connected with you. And the idea of where you are going in the realm of really your goal in this season to excuse me, to bring about the frameworks that are necessary to really shift the mind and the mindset of thinking about the apostolic and the prophetic, such that we can begin to see it scientifically